Hormones are powerful messengers in the body. They influence everything from our mood to our menstrual cycles. When hormones are in balance, we feel our best. But when they're out of whack, we might experience a range of symptoms. These symptoms can include irregular periods, mood swings, and difficulty sleeping. Finding ways to support hormonal harmony is essential for overall well-being. Many women turn to natural solutions to regain control of their hormonal health. Today we'll be taking a close look at O Positiv FLO Ovarian Health Support. This supplement aims to promote hormonal balance and support healthy ovulation. We'll delve into its ingredients, benefits, and potential side effects. We'll also hear from real women about their experiences with O Positiv FLO. O Positiv FLO is a daily supplement designed to support women's ovarian health. It contains a blend of ingredients that work synergistically to promote hormonal balance. O Positiv FLO may help regulate menstrual cycles, improve energy levels, and reduce symptoms of hormonal imbalance. This supplement is vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, and cruelty-free. It's formulated with carefully selected ingredients to provide optimal support for women's health. O Positiv FLO stands out for its commitment to using high-quality ingredients. The formula is free from common allergens and unnecessary additives. This commitment to quality makes O Positiv FLO a popular choice for women seeking natural solutions. It's important to note that individual results may vary. Factors like diet, lifestyle, and overall health can influence how your body responds to supplements. O Positiv FLO's effectiveness lies in its blend of key ingredients. Myo-inositol and D-chiroinositol, included in a 40-to-1 ratio, play a vital role in insulin sensitivity. This can be particularly helpful for women with polycystic ovary syndrome, where insulin resistance is often a factor. DIM, or D-indolylmethane, is a compound found in cruciferous vegetables. It supports hormone balance by promoting the healthy metabolism of estrogen. Lastly, folic acid is crucial for cell growth and division. It's especially important for women who are pregnant or trying to conceive. These ingredients work together to create a comprehensive formula that targets multiple aspects of hormonal health. This unique combination of ingredients makes O Positiv FLO an effective option for women seeking to support their hormonal health. Section 4. Real Talk. What are people saying about O Positiv FLO? Customer reviews for O Positiv FLO are mixed, offering a balanced perspective on the supplement's effectiveness. Some women report positive experiences, noting improvements in their cycle regularity, energy levels, and even weight management. They appreciate the supplement's natural approach to hormonal balance and its convenient daily dosage. Some reviewers with PCOS have shared that O Positiv FLO helped them manage their symptoms effectively. However, other women haven't noticed significant changes after using O Positiv FLO. Some experienced mild side effects like headaches or digestive discomfort. It's essential to remember that everyone's body is different and what works for one person may not work for another. Reading reviews can provide valuable insights into the potential benefits and drawbacks. This can help you make an informed decision about whether O Positiv FLO is right for you. Section 5. Embark on your journey to balanced hormones. If you're considering trying O Positiv FLO, it's recommended to take 3 capsules daily with water. The brand offers subscription options which can provide cost savings and convenience. However, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. This is especially important if you have underlying health conditions, take medications, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. While O Positiv FLO is generally well tolerated, some individuals may experience mild side effects. These side effects can include headaches, nausea, or changes in bowel movements. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult your doctor. Remember, achieving hormonal harmony is a journey. O Positiv FLO could be a helpful tool.